Hi, welcome back to my Jamboree vlogs. It's now less than a week to Jamboree, which is pretty exciting but also really terrifying. But in this video I thought I'd show you something like it's a UK Contingent Kit which isn't going to be at the Jamboree, and this is a Jamboree in a bag. It's basically got a load of like props and stuff from like the 3 different host countries. It's got stuff like Mexican hats, a globe so that you can like show people where you're going. It's got some bunting, like this stuff to like decorate on nights. There's also American football, and there's flags of like the 3 host countries. So you've got Canada, Mexico and USA. They're massive. There's loads of stuff in here. There's like maracas. There's even maple syrup, wherever I can find that. Some maple syrup. And this is all basically to like take round to your own different groups. Say you want to host a night for beavers, this is what this is all about. So the bag comes with all these activity sheets which you're meant to go to your group, host a night to tell everyone about like Jamboree and what's it all about, with all of these different activities and props. It's basically to get people involved in the Jamboree and get them excited about the next Jamboree. So there's loads of different activity stuff like nachos. So there's a lot of food stuff. So you can just run a night doing nachos and stuff, and it tells you what groups these are like best for. So making nachos is best for everyone, from beavers all the way up to network. And then you've got Mexican pottery. There's so many like activities and stuff that you can do. There's like, I'm trying to find some of these ones. American football. So in the bag you get the American football, and you also get a sheet telling you how to run it. But I decided to do something a little different. Instead of just running a night with like beavers and scouts, because lots of other people have done that from like my group, I got like asked to host on this other YouTube channel called Scoutadelic, and Mike, who runs the channel, every month has like a different theme, and August's month was Jamboree. So he like invited us to come host an episode with him, and I had to like show him like a skill. So I thought that's perfect. And I like used an idea from Jamboree in a bag to like show him all about the Jamboree and just like the extra fun little activities that everyone else can get involved with. So here's a few behind the scenes clips from that day. This is Mike, he's the scores.
Scores?
You said scones? So now I'm thinking about scones. Oh no, it's far too many eyes. I just grabbed loads of eyes. Goodbye!
There we go.
You'll be able to watch the whole video on Mike's Scoutadelic YouTube channel in August, so you might as well just subscribe now so you can see that video straight away. I had an amazing day. It was so much fun. We got up to like so many different activities, and it was great to like meet like another YouTuber who was like promoting Scout and stuff. So I had an absolutely amazing day. Thank you so much, Mike, for inviting us. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and join me next time when I'll be back with more Jamboree vlogs. Bye!